Okay, let's extract those points. So first you open the file you want to extract the points from. One way to make the points more highlighted is to type PTYPE command, and then you can choose it to increase the percentage of it. I normally use something between 2 and 5, so the points can show up better in your screen. Then you're gonna select the points you want to extract. Let's say you want to select this part over here, so I'll do like a lasso selection. But before that, you call the command data extraction, and then you're gonna like just follow the steps here, create a new data extraction. You can put any names you want. This is just for reference. So I'm gonna create one call empty couplers, and I want to replace it. Yeah, no problem. And then you have the option here to select objects in the current drawing. Then you click on it, and you click on this icon to do your selection. Then I'm gonna select just this east side points here. Keep going next. Then I'm gonna those are the columns that your Excel spreadsheet are gonna export. So I'm just gonna choose the geometry ones because just those positions interest me. Then I have all of this together. Then I go next again, and I'm gonna output data to external file because I want an Excel file with that. It's good to select your file name here, which you can come here and choose the folder you want to save the file to. Then I'll go next, finish the file extraction, and there you go. I just have to go to my desktop folder and go find my document, which is this one. Then you're gonna see all the points here, X, Y, Z. If you don't want any of those columns, you just delete them. And there you go.